Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants and year 2021 resolution. What you need to do to improve your finances, improve your career, improve your reputation, improve your health, improve your relationship with your elders, improve the relationship with your friends and family, improve the relationship of your spouse. So today I will let you know about what resolution you need to perform in 2021. My dear friends, Gemini, first of all, no doubt Jupiter-Saturn placement is not very promising in year 2021. You are suffering a lot. This year 2021 you will face a lot of unbalancing situation related to your savings and your expenditures. Your source of earning is not as per your planning. Your expenditures will be sky high, or relationship will be under shadow with your elders, with your near and dears. Gemini, this whole year 2021, God is check your patience. God is check your patience, and God is check your caliber. Which type of performance you are perform in 2021 in your tough situation. Saturn is checking all these things, because Saturn is a planet of your karma, which is transit in your 8th house, which is not very well transit for you. And Jupiter is also joining from 1st January 2021 to 6th of April 2021 in your 8th house. Jupiter-Saturn conjunction is very good, but is in 8th house is not very promising. Those native who are involved in any type of research or mantra sadhana, tantra mantra, astrology, occult science, they may get blessed from this transit, Jupiter-Saturn. Otherwise, those native who are willing to settle in foreign land for PR, they will get advantage. If you want to settle in foreign land, if you want to apply your job in foreign land, or if you are trying to settle in foreign land through your PR, or if you are interested to get PR, then this year is one of the highly beneficial year for you. But don't invest your money in your business. Don't trust on someone. Don't give your money to anyone, otherwise you get cheated. Gemini, this is not very fruitful year for you. You will see lot of struggle. You will see lot of hurdles in your professional life as well as your family life. A relationship with your family will be under shadow. But you need to calm. You need to be polite and humble. Do your best. Always keep smiling on your face. Don't reply negative lines, don't use negative lines, or don't give reply in a negative words in front of your family members or your spouse. Otherwise you will be a part of any litigation. You will be mentally disturbed. You will be feeling very low and down. This whole year 2021 will create some hurdles and problems for you, some challenges which you are going to face in 2021 related to your professional life, personal life, related to your relationship with your elders. It's a matter of concern. Health of your father is a matter of concern, but you need to do some wonders. You must give some respect and honor to your elders. Especially blessings of your father is the biggest game changer for you. Especially blessings of your father, I'm repeating this line, especially blessing of your father is the biggest game changer for you. And if you take blessings from your father's side, you will be sky high in your struggling days. Otherwise, if you are argument with your father, if you're fighting with your father, if you are not showing your respect on your father, you will be in a deep crisis. Your finances will be unbalanced. You will be a part of any litigation. Your money is wastage, because Jupiter 5th aspect is on your 12th house, and Jupiter 2nd aspect is on your 2nd house, and Jupiter 3rd aspect is on your 4th house. And Jupiter is not ruling planet. Jupiter is not a beneficiary planet for Gemini ascendants. But Jupiter nature is very promising. Jupiter nature is very positive. So it will give you mixed result during 2021. But you need to be strong, and you must take blessings of your father. This is the biggest, revolution of 2021 for you. Keep in touch with your father. If you live far away from your father, try to keep in touch with your father through communication, through video calls. And if you take any decision, any big decision of your life, you should get approval from your father's side. If you get approval from your father's side, if your father give you green signal, you must do that work and you will get blessed and you will feel very happy. But if your father is not going to give you the green signal, then you don't do that work, because stars is in your favor. You're feeling very low, uncomfort. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance, but you need to keep smiling in every situation. Don't use any wrong word in front of your family members or seniors. Don't show your attitude. Be humble, be polite. This is a bit struggling year for you, Gemini. This year will create some problems in your professional life as well as your personal life. Relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Your tie-up with your family, with your spouse is not very promising. Gemini, this is a time when Saturn is polishing you. This is a time when you become a diamond after 2021. If you are in patience, if you keep smiling on your face, if you give respect to your family member, if you are in a good relationship with your parents, with your life partner, you will definitely cross this year with a lot of good events. But you are not very positive, you are not in a very positive event related to your source of earning or your savings. But by the grace of God, Jupiter 7th aspect is on your second house, which will give you some support from your father's side, which will give some support from your family side, and which will give you some small profits in whole 2021. Friends, Gemini, you need to polish yourself, stay strong, stay happy, and try to keep calm and try to keep polite in any worst situation, because this is not very fruitful year for you. If you show your attitude, ego in front of others, you will be a great tension, you will be in a great trouble. Blessings of your father will be a biggest remedy and game changer for you. And I suggest you one mantra which is act like a game changer for you. Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah. You read this mantra 108 times, 121 times, 151 times, 221 times, 251 times. More you do it, more you achieve it. You chant this mantra any time, any time, morning, evening, after lunch, at night. You can chant this mantra, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah. You will definitely sky high. You will feel good energy in your worst situation after chanting this mantra. And you must read Ganesh Chalisa every day morning. When you start your day, after take your shower and before start your day, you must read Ganesh Chalisa 2 times or 3 times minimum. You will feel positive energy and you have a lot of ability, Gemini. There is no doubt. You are very intelligent, but this year is not very fruitful for you. You need to chant this mantra, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, and read Ganesh Chalisa. Will make your life easy. Stay positive from inside. I'm telling you, planets are going to give you some learning year. This is a year when you will learn a lot of things from your personal life, from your practical life, which will polish you and you become a diamond after 2021. Stay cool, stay calm, do your best, must take blessings from your father's side, because your father is the key of your success in 2021. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future, Gemini. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.